Three men fatally shot, cop injured during confrontation in Kingston. Fisherman Corey Cat dies from Old Arbor Bay gun attack. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. Three men were fatally shot during a reported shootout with the police along Windward Road, Kingston on Sunday. Two firearms were also recovered during the incident. Reports are that a policeman was also injured during the confrontation. Reports from the police are that a team of officers were on mobile patrol along Windward Road vicinity, premises number 81, when they observed men walking in the roadway, which arose the officers' suspicion. The police team stopped and alighted from the unit, giving verbal instruction to the men not to move. The men then pulled firearms and opened gunfire at a team of policemen. The police took evasive action and returned gunfire. When the shooting subsided, all three men were seen suffering from gunshot wounds with two firearms beside them. All injured persons were rushed to the Kingston Public Hospital, where the policeman was treated and released. The other injured men were pronounced dead. A fisherman was shot and killed by unknown assailants in Old Arbor Bay, St. Catherine on Sunday. The deceased is 23-year-old Andrew Williams, otherwise called Corey Cat, of East Bay, Old Arbor Bay. Reports are that about 2:30 p.m., Williams was at the market on the fishing beach in the area when loud explosions were heard. He was later found suffering from gunshot wounds. Williams was assisted to the hospital where he was pronounced dead. No motive has yet been established for the gun attack, but the St. Catherine South Police are probing the development.